Air is everywhere. So this is the enrichment sheet 1 in week 3. Yes, theme 3, week 3, and these are the words, keywords. Yes, air, smoke, germs, gases, pollute, oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, vehicles, factories. So these are the keywords. You have to learn these keywords compulsory. Yes, next coming. Air. Air is all around us. All living things need air to breathe. We all living things need air to breathe because we cannot survive without air. And Earth is the only planet which have air on it. No other planet have all these facilities. So Earth is the only planet which have air, water, atmosphere. Yes, food for living things. Everything is present on air. That's the reason air is called as living planet. We cannot see air, but you can touch. You cannot see air, but you can feel. You cannot see or you cannot touch, but you can feel air. You are sitting under a fan, you can feel air. You are flying a kite, you are flying a balloon, you can feel air, but you cannot see. Air is a mixture of many gases. There are so many gases present in the air, like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor, dust, smoke, germs. So these are the things present in the air. And air contains gases like oxygen, nitrogen in high amount, and remaining gases only less amount. Nitrogen is in 78% ratio, oxygen is in 20, nearly 21% ratio. Yes, remaining all just within 1 or 2%. And carbon dioxide is one of the gas which is present in air, and it is very harmful to us. Poisonous and harmful. Poisonous and harmful means which create destruction for us, which leads to the health problem. Poison means which kill us. So carbon dioxide is one of the gas which is very poisonous and which pollutes the air, and it is a harmful gas. It pollutes the air. Next, air has water vapor also. This for this you can do one small experiment. You can take water and keep on the stove. When the water starts boiling, steam will be coming out. So that is called as water vapor. Air has water vapor in it. So you can see the water vapor like this. So when you go and see morning, you go and see your vehicle. Vehicle, if you have a car, four-wheeler, you go and see the vehicle doors, glass doors. You can see this water vapor on the glass doors. Next, air has dust. Yes, you can see the dust also. Whenever you open doors and windows in your house, yes, a small light particles will be coming, and these light particles will have dust in it. You can see this like this. If you open your doors and windows in the early morning when sun rises, no, at that time you can see dust particles will be. Next, air has smoke. Air has smoke. This smoke comes out from vehicles and factories. Most of the dangerous smokes come from vehicles and factories only, because they are very harmful, because people they produce many different types of things. They manufacture things in the factories and industries, and vehicles also produce lot of smoke. Then when we burn coal or wood, yes, smoke comes out, and this smoke makes the air impure like this. When you burn garbage, or when you burn dust, or when you burn wood, so smoke comes. And even air carries germs also, and it makes the air impure. And these germs, you cannot see them with your naked eyes. You can see only with the help of a microscope. How these germs travel? So when people sneeze or cough, these germs come from their body and they spread in the air. And when you people like when you are healthy, suppose if you take that germs, yes, if you breathe that germs, you will be affected with cold and cough. That is the reason, yes, you have to cover your mouth while sneezing and coughing. So they enter the human body, the impure germs, they enter the human body. And if you breathe such type of germs, breathing air containing germs could make you sick. and everyone should cover your mouth, yes, with handkerchief. While sneezing and coughing, you have to cover your mouth like this when you sneeze or cough. And breathing impure air is not good for health because it make you sick. You also may get cold, you also may get cough, or even you may get, yes, fevers. So that's why you should cover your mouth. And air pollution is very very important thing. So because we are polluting air, especially human beings, we are polluting the air, not animals and not plants. Human beings are responsible for the pollution of air. We are only creating all the destruction to the environment. So that's the reason you have to protect the environment. And a microscope is an instrument which is used to see the germs, tiny germs, because you can't see the germs with your naked eyes, with your eyes. So you see the germs only with the help of a microscope. Then how many types of air is there, and what is the importance of this air? And these are the keywords for this lesson: wind, breeze, storm, breath, thunder, lightning, electricity, windmills, sailboat, and dangerous. These are the keywords. Next, moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. When air moves from one place to the other, it is called moving air. It is called wind. You cannot see the wind, but you can feel it. How? You can see the clothes drying. You can see the plants moving here and there. So by this you can say that wind is present and you can feel it. And this wind even make a boat to sail on the water. Boat sails on the water because of this wind only. Because of the wind, boat moves on the water. It even makes dust, bits of paper and dry leaves to fly. Air can make dust, bits of paper and dry leaves fly in the air. Yes, you can also feel the wind pushing you. Strong wind is coming, you feel like pushing. Yes. Next, air moves at different speeds. Suppose if it is moving very gently and pleasantly, it is called as a breeze. For example, if you keep your fan number 2 number or 3 number, your fan, you feel very pleasant air. So that is called as breeze. Slow and gently it will be moving. So that is called breeze. Next, sometimes this wind is accompanied by rain, thunder, and lightning. When strong winds blow and when strong rain comes and when huge yes air winds will be coming, no, they will be very strong, and these are called as storms, storms, storms. And these storms usually you see in rainy season. Yes, rainy season you can see them more because rain, storms, and thunder together they will come. Thunder means like clouds when clash each other. You will hear big, big sounds. So they are called as thunder storms. And storms are very dangerous because they can even uproot the trees and even electrical poles. They can uproot them. Yes, the roots also will come outside because of these storms. And when the trees fall on the houses or buildings, so the houses may get destroyed, the buildings may get destroyed, and even the glass, yes, window glasses can break also. So this storm make doors and windows bang loudly, bang, sounds will be coming and break the glass window panes. Importance of air. Air is very very important ma, because all the living things need air. No life can exist without air. Air is very very important. All plants, animals and human beings need air to breathe and live. Even plants also need air, because if there is no air to supply to the plant will die. So plants also need air. Next, plants need air to prepare their food. Plants need air to prepare their food. Not only air, plants need water, nutrients, sunlight, everything. So air is also one of the important thing that plants need. Next, Playing and exercising in fresh air keep us fit and healthy. Suppose if you play in the morning time or evening time, very fresh air, you will be very healthy and you have to do exercises also. As you are now staying at home because you don't have any games. So when you come to school, you play different types of games here with your friends. But now at present, because of this COVID-19, you are staying at home only. So in this time you can go and have nicely, you can play in the outdoor. Yes, because you are sitting for the online classes also, so you can go and take fresh air outside. You can play some outdoor games, but in your house only, don't go beyond to that. So this is also very good for your health. Next, kites, hot air balloons and aeroplanes can move with the help of air. So air helps kites to fly. Hot air balloons also will move from one place to the other. And even aeroplanes, helicopters, they can travel, they can move. They are called as means of air transportation. So they move with the help of this air only. Air helps sailboats to move faster, as we know. So they move very faster on the earth. Even air helps to turn the blades of windmills to generate electricity. So some places what they do, they use these windmills to generate electricity. So air help them to turn the blades. So the windmills will have blades. So air helps to turn these blades of the windmills to generate electricity. And even air helps wet clothes to dry very fast. See, as I said you, when there is a very heavy rain outside and your clothes are wet, yes, you can dry the clothes and you can put on your fan so that due to the air, the clothes will get dried easily. So these are the different types of air and importance of air. Yes, and these are the two lessons you have to read for your GAT. And thank you.